What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well. Another video here on the Galaxie project, and wow, that looks pretty cool with the tires on. Wow. But today's video is going to be on replacing the rear suspension bushings. So I ordered these rear shackles. I'm gonna paint these so that way they don't rust out. And also picked up the front leaf spring bushing bolt kit, the bolt kit. And yeah, you know, I'm just gonna actually just take the whole rear end out. I figured it'd be a lot easier to paint and strip all the dirt and stuff. So check it out, you guys. I started already stripping the bottom here, which looks pretty good. It's almost ready to get coated. But look at the shackles. They're all like worn out, rusted. All right, guys. So I just freed the shackles and the front bushing here. It gets kind of stuck when it comes to these front bushings right here. This big old bushing gets stuck right here, so you're gonna have to take out this bushing. But other than that, it's pretty simple removal. You know, you take the shocks off. It's only like 4 bolts that holds this thing to the car here, and this little pocket as well. But yeah, it's just a little bit of bolts, and then this whole thing comes out. So it's already out, as you can see. And we're gonna paint it up, clean all this stuff up. All this junk is gonna all be cleaned up and painted port 15, just like the front, and it's gonna look really good. So let's do it. Everything is pretty much all dried up. You can see the white film from the metal prep, and sort of like that yellow zinc coating. But yeah, this takes pretty much the whole day. Get everything prepped up and ready to get painted, but it's coming out pretty good. All right, guys, it's the following morning, and check it out. If this thing came out amazing. Wow, look at that. It looks almost like glass. Wow, it came out amazing. And it's like super tough, like you can just feel it. Like it's, yeah, there's no rust gonna happen on that thing. I also did the leaf springs. They come out really nice too. After you use port 15 a couple times, you kind of start to get the feel for it, of how it behaves and how you should apply it to make sure you get a nice finish. But yeah, 2 coats, and this thing came out amazing. Alright, guys, so I started to reassemble the rear end here with the leaf springs. It's coming out pretty cool. And this is actually the rear Wilwood disc brake kit for the Ford 9-inch. And let me tell you, the back kit is way easier to put on than the front one. This whole assembly here already comes assembled, so all you have to do is take off the backing plate, the original backing plate, and put this on. And you can see it's kind of cool because it's inside of the disc. That's how the parking brake works. So if you see here inside the disc, this is where the parking brake will work. Those shoes will expand and stop the car. So pretty slick little setup. So all we're gonna do now is just assemble it, put the caliper on and the disc, and that should be it. So let's do it. It's starting to get dark now, but I managed to get the tires on it and pretty much complete the whole rear end here. Look at that, wow, looks so cool. So front disc brakes and rear disc brakes. It's gonna be an awesome setup. In the future, I'm going to change the axles and the rear diff into a 31 spline with the true track and a little better gearing. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys like the content, feel free to subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions on the videos or anything that you guys want to add or you guys want to see, let me know. But yeah, Galaxie's coming along. Got a new toolbox here. I don't know if you can see that. So a lot more organized, and it's gonna help me get these jobs done a little faster. So there we go, it's coming along. Galaxie. Boom.